Let's get started with asset maintenance and safety culture. Without a clear way to manage maintenance across all of your assets, unexpected failures and operational delays can quickly add up. Asset maintenance helps you move from reactive repairs to proactive seamless operations. Imagine saving 4 to 5 days every month just by automating your asset usage and updating maintenance plans. This feature is part of an add-on package, in addition to the premium plan or enterprise plan, that can be enabled per asset. To explore if it's the right fit for your team, reach out to your customer success manager or our customer support team. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the importance of preventative asset maintenance and how to create a maintenance program in the web app. First, let's explore why preventative maintenance is so crucial. A proactive maintenance program ensures your equipment runs reliably with planned servicing. This significantly cuts down on disruptions, repair costs, and safety hazards. Organizations use this method in various ways based on their needs. A factory might service forklifts every 250 hours, while a delivery company could change truck oil every 5,000 miles. In SafetyCulture, you manage this using programs and plans. A program brings together multiple maintenance plans, connecting them to specific assets such as forklifts or trucks. Each plan sets how often maintenance should happen, what triggers it, and handles automated notifications. Now let's dive into creating a maintenance program. Go to Assets. Click Settings. You'll need the Asset Settings permission at a minimum to access this. Then go to the Maintenance tab. Now create a program. Enter your program name. I'll create a program called Warehouse Forklift Maintenance. Enter a description if needed. Then click Create. Next, let's set up the specifics for your maintenance plan within the program. Click Add Plan. Here you'll fill out the plan details. Give your plan a name. I'll name this 250-hour service, and add a description if needed. Then select whether to track your plan by usage, like odometer or runtime, or time-based, meaning maintenance is conducted after a certain number of days. I'll select runtime for the forklifts. Set how often maintenance should happen. Our forklifts will need maintenance every 250 hours. Next, set the Due Soon threshold, which will trigger a status change from scheduled to due soon. Then set when your team will be notified, reminding them when maintenance is due. These alerts will prompt users to create and complete service-related actions. Then decide which users or groups will be notified. I'll quickly add our technicians group. You can add up to 10 notifications to remind users or groups when maintenance is due. Now save your plan. It's time to add the relevant assets to this maintenance program, allowing you to quickly set up the same program for multiple assets and save time. Select the assets you want to add to this program. You can filter by type or site. I'll filter to only show our forklift fleet. Then select all assets. The Show Selected Only toggle lets you easily see only the assets you've picked. Click Save. Finally, we'll record the last service of each asset and finalize your program. Enter the most recent service reading for each asset. Let's skip ahead as I add the readings. And now click Finish. The maintenance program is completed. Before we wrap up, we'll go over updating the last service date for an individual asset's maintenance plan. From the Maintenance tab, click an asset. I'll update this forklift that is overdue for service. You also have the option to do this directly on an asset's profile. Click Update Last Service. Enter the reading and service date. Then click Save. The update moved the plan's status to scheduled, and it's ready to be checked again in the future. Tailoring programs and plans to your assets helps ensure maintenance happens at the right time, reducing downtime and improving asset reliability. And to take that efficiency even further, boost your asset workflow by capturing odometer or runtime readings directly in your inspections. This helps keep your maintenance plans current and ensures your service is always on schedule. To learn how to capture asset readings from inspections, search Manage Asset Readings and Templates in our Help Center. For this and more on assets, head to help.safetyculture.com.